I got this brace back in place for the core support, sitting in there. I got to bolt it down. When you put it in here, if you did a condenser like I did, or you did the radiator or whatever, just make sure the radiator is back into position. You'll know because it won't move anywhere. And then once you get this core support brace in here, you'll see that there's a couple spots on top here. I don't know what to call these, but there's a spot where it fits into this brace here, and then on opposite side same thing, and that gets things nice and tight, so it grabs onto that whole assembly. And then just put your bolts back in. We're gonna have two that go here, and then two here, and two here, so that's 6 in total. And then I think this sensor here go back here, right here, with the protective casing over it. Sorry I couldn't film a lot of this. It's just me, and I'm working outside on the street, but I hope this is helpful for anybody that finds it. If you like it, let me know. Thank you for watching.